drag.
Dragging me out there.
Yeah, let it take its drag.
No.
The line's tight.
No, Daddy, get it.
I can't get it. Watch out for that hook.
Lift it up, bring it down, reel it.
There you go, right there. Big ass bass. There you go. Yeah? Shit, that's gotta be like a 5-pounder, dude. Okachobee bass.
My second fish, my dream came true. Bring it over here, bring it over here.
Step back. Damn, that's gotta be at least 7 pounds, dude.
Daddy, there's a hook by your arm.
Yeah.
Shit! You guys, now we know what works.
Told you, Bev, man. Should have been paying attention.
Told you guys, bobbers, baby. Okay.
Told Bev, man.
Okay, it doesn't be anything.
Yeah, I told you just leave it out there. It's
Oh!
like big bass. Huge. Put that on the scale.
You know what? One fish like this, that's worth the whole trip, man.
Oh, yeah.
I caught it, you guys.
I know. There we go.
Okay. Okay.
Weigh that baby.
Hold up.
Weigh that guy. Yeah, there you go.
I've never seen a fish.
He needed to use his tool.
Wait. I gotta take a picture of this.
Damn, that thing is freaking huge.
Why is it up?
Okachobee bass.
It was a good fight.
Oh, yeah.
I dragged it.
Look in there. There's my fish in his mouth.
No, unless you bobber. No, that's what's working right now.
No, I don't got time to change the bobber.
I can change it quickly. No problem.
All right, let's see. Let's weigh it out.
Okay, there, buddy. There, buddy.
Okay.
449. Ooh, almost 5 pounds. 4.5. We got a little.
Okay. Take a picture. Where's my? Can you give me my glove? And are you proud of me?
Yes, we're very proud of you.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
All right. So this is Meichi, and this is her 4.5 pound bass.
All right.
Okachobee dink right here.
1, 2, 3. Now take your other hand and hold the stomach.
Yeah, put it out like this.
Oh yeah, so that's how they do it.
Ooh, his stomach is very shallow.
I mean, he already let fire, right?
I don't know.
Okay. Like this?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Let it go.
Huge.
Say the back. Get your release, baby. You don't
Plop.
throw it in like that.